everyone. Today we delve into the versatile garlic plant, renowned not only for its culinary appeal, but also for its numerous health benefits and ease of cultivation. Garlic, scientifically known as Allium sativum, is a multifaceted plant prized for its medicinal properties and culinary uses. It is celebrated for its potent antimicrobial and antioxidant qualities, making it a staple in traditional medicine and modern health practices alike. Research suggests that garlic can bolster immunity, aid in lowering blood pressure, and promote cardiovascular health due to its active compound. In gardens, garlic thrives with moderate watering, requiring deep watering every 7 to 10 days to ensure optimal growth. For cultivation, planting in the fall sets the stage for a bountiful summer harvest, with bulbs ready for harvesting when their leaves turn yellow, typically 8 to 9 months post-planting. Regarding sunlight requirements, garlic typically requires full sun exposure for about 6 to 8 hours daily to thrive optimally. Ideal soil conditions include well-drained, fertile soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 7.0. Medicinally, garlic has been used for centuries to combat infections, improve circulation, and even reduce the severity of colds and flu. Its sulfur-containing compounds are believed to contribute to its health benefits, making it a versatile addition to both culinary dishes and herbal remedies. Discover the secret to robust health and vibrant flavors with our organically grown garlic, nature's powerhouse for immunity and vitality. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.